Hello my dear students, welcome to ASJ Physics Academy. After watching this video, solve question of the day to strengthen your concept. Link in video description. So today we are going to see part 1 of class 11th chapter units and measurement. In this chapter you will see so many physical quantities, their units, their dimensions and uses of them. So first we are going to see what is measurement. So measurement is a process of determining how large or small a physical quantity is as compared to a basic chosen reference standard called unit. Okay, now what is unit? The chosen reference standard of measurement in multiples of which a physical quantity is expressed is called unit of that quantity. So to understand these points, I have taken one rod. Let's take mass, length and temperature of this rod is going to be measured. Okay, let's take after measurement. The mass of this rod is 5 kg, length of this rod is, let's take 10 meter, and temperature of this rod is 25 degrees Celsius. So now what is the meaning of these measurements? So here in this measurement, physical quantity is mass, unit that means basic chosen reference standard is kg, and numerical value is 5. That means the meaning of this measurement is the mass of the rod is 5 times of 1 kg. Similarly, what is the meaning of this measurement? So here physical quantity is length, unit is meter and numerical value is 10. That means the meaning of this measurement is the length of the rod is 10 times of 1 meter. Similarly, here physical quantity involved is temperature, unit is degree Celsius and numerical value is 25. So the meaning of this measurement is the temperature of the rod is 25 times of 1 degree Celsius. So here we understood physical quantity can be mass, length and temperature. Okay, so now we are going to see physical quantity in detail. So what is physical quantity? All the quantities which are used to describe the laws of physics are called physical quantities, and always remember that physical quantity is composed of numerical value and its unit. That means any kind of physical quantity is given by the product of numerical value into unit. In short form we used to write n into u, where n stands for numerical value and u stands for unit. Okay. For an example, I have taken example. Let's take length. Length I have taken 10 meter. So here this length is the physical quantity, 10 is the numerical value and meter is the unit. Okay. Similarly, if I talk about the mass, let's take mass is given 5 kg. So here this mass is the physical quantity, 5 is the numerical value and kilogram is the unit. Again one more example, let's take, I have taken density. So density, let's take, it is 7 kg per meter cube. So again density is physical quantity, 7 is the numerical value and kilogram per meter cube is the unit. Okay. After that, physical quantity is two types. Okay. First one is fundamental or base quantities. That means the quantities which do not depend upon other quantities, and the units of these quantities are called fundamental or base units. Later you will see that there are 7 types of fundamental quantities. Here we will see only few of them. Let's take length. Unit is meter. So here length is the fundamental quantity and meter is the fundamental unit. Okay. Similarly, if I talk about mass, kg. So again this mass is the fundamental quantity and this kg is the fundamental unit. Okay. Now second one, derived quantities. That means the quantities which can be expressed in terms of the fundamental quantities, and the units of these quantities are called derived units. For an example, let's take, I have taken density. Unit kilogram per meter cube. So here this density is the derived quantity and this kilogram per meter cube is the derived unit. Similarly, let's take, I have taken volume. Unit meter cube. So here also this volume is the derived quantity and this meter cube is the derived unit. Okay. Now we will see system of units. So what is system of units? A complete set of units, fundamental units, supplementary units and derived units, which is used to measure all kinds of physical quantities, are called system of units. If I talk about ancient time, that time so many system of units was there. Among them, some of them was popular also. I have written here some of them. Okay, so first one is FPS system. In FPS system, length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound, and time is measured in second. Second one is CGS system. Here length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second. Third one is MKS system. Here length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in second. So here we can see that in all those three systems, time is common, and here each and every time is measured in second. So that time MKS system was very quite popular, but in this MKS system some drawbacks was there. So our scientists did some modification in MKS system and we got International System of Units. In short form we used to tell SI units. As this SI units got by the modification of MKS system, hence this SI units is also called rationalized MKS system. In International System of Units, there are 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units that we will see in part 2.